If your kids or you get canker sores, mouth irritation, or those painful little spots that make eating and talking miserable, you need to know about this because this has honestly become one of those products we never want to run out of. My son has braces and has struggled so much with canker sores from brackets rubbing inside his mouth. And honestly, I get them too because I eat way too much citrus. We're both constantly dealing with mouth pain and irritation. Then we found Amosan Oral Wound Cleanser, and friends, this stuff has helped tremendously. Now, whenever we feel a sore starting, we swish with this for a day or two and it's gone afterward. It honestly feels like magic sometimes. This wound cleanser is a mint-flavored oral rinse. It's designed as an antiseptic oral cleanser to help clean and soothe irritated areas in the mouth. To use it, mix as directed, swish for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. You don't swallow it. It's especially helpful for braces, mouth sores, gum irritation, and just general mouth discomfort. And I love that it's easy to keep on hand for the whole family. What I personally love is how quickly it helps our mouths feel cleaner and better, especially when my son's braces are irritating certain spots. This has been such a lifesaver for him. It's now one of those products we always restock before we run out. Now, I will say the taste can be a little different depending on personal preference, but for us, the results have been absolutely worth it, and a little goes a long way. If you or someone in your family struggles with canker sores or other mouth irritations, I definitely recommend checking this out.